My flight leaves at 5:50 and I got here at 4:50. I think I'll be alright. General line's too pretty short, so that's good. But yeah, I haven't really slept at all, or I haven't slept at all. I had to finish some work, and then I had practice, and then I had to pack for my snowboarding trip. So. Probably zoom in post. That's the bus I'm in. Kind of tired, but I have this energy now. I think it's because I'm now about to go skiing or snowboarding. So I gotta take the bus to the crib and then get dressed and then meet JT, Brandon, Julio, and Grace out on the mountain for lunch. So. First things first, I need to put on bindings from my snowboard because I didn't do it last night because I was too busy working and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll get dressed. JT, Julio, Brandon, and Grace are up there on one of the runs, so I'm gonna try to meet them. But yeah, it's hot. It's so hot. I'm sweating. I need to wear less clothes tomorrow. I was in such a rush though to get out on the slopes, but my God, I'm sweating so much. It's gross. It's a pretty cool little town though.
These thoughts see the light of day. Please don't run away. Wherever you are, feeling out of place. Think I'd rather stay. I wanna stay for a while. I wanna move your way. No, the roof might cave in. All of these snakes.
Mountain. Is it stage left or stage right?
I don't know what that means. Is it yellow or teal?
Oh yeah. Are you doing that again?
Yeah.
Yikes. Whoa, why keep stopping? Whoa, 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 whoa! I almost fell off the lift, but I didn't. I think this is chipmunk for us. Right, JT? That's right. Heavenly Days is the one we're gonna do, I think.
Oh, that's That's why the lines are there. I think it's this right here, Brandon. Brandon, to the right. Brandon! Go, JT. Flatbed. Huh? Dog. Easy. Yeah. I like that. Wasn't that scary? The half pipe, yeah, it was cool. Nice. So now to walk back to the crib, baby.
Oh yeah, I'll bring it.
Right here.
You got it?
Here you go, King.
Who's on? Who's DJ? You got your phone?
My phone's away.
I don't have mine either.
Yeah, nobody got a phone.
No phones.
Phones.
Dude, we have a key.
Wait, just you have a key? Okay.
Huge, big time.
Big time.
Yo, I like the robe look.
We look very special.
Yeah. It's kind of cold.
My ass is never beating the Minion allegation.
All right, now I gotta have
We look a
clean.
little suspect in walking around the roads.
A little suspect. Minions. As you can tell, we watched the Minions for the first time, and it's a great movie.
Team watched. I just.
We had homework to do. Let's make sure we don't get our robes confused.
You worry about the sanitation.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont.